Alright, so I made it to my parents, and unfortunately, they still have a lot of snow. It's actually quite bright out here, too, with the snow, so I had to throw my fabulous shades on. So as you can see, my ramps are still buried. So I'm going to hop on the little tractor, dig them out, and carry them over to my truck. Alright, so we got the ramps out finally. Came out a lot easier than we thought they were. Little tractor, but a big beast. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab my truck. We're going to back it up to the ramps here and lift the ramps up and then just slide them into the back of the truck and bring them home and get working on the truck. We're back home. I got in late last night, so this is a new day. Beautiful day at that, nice and sunny. So I have to go drop the ramps off in the backyard. As you can see, they're still back there. So jump them off next to the Ranger, move the Ranger out of the way, and then move the ramps to where they're supposed to go. So let's go. We got the Ranger on the ramps. That was one heck of a workout I was not ready for. But we managed to get it on. One slight issue, it is off-center of the ramps. It's over to the left side, or right side, depending on how you're looking at it. As you can see, the driver's side is a little close to the edge. But that's not a big issue. I have a solution to that, which you will see in the next video. So now, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Facebook, Instagram, links are in the description. Check them out, and see you in the next one.